200 लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, कितना टाइम और लगेगा?
अराउंड 1 घंटा।
1 घंटा? मैम क्या बेच रहे हो ऐसा?
दिस इज अ वेरी न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट इंडिया में। हम बोल्स, रैप्स, स्मूदीज, माचास, कॉफी, सैलड सब बेचते हैं, इवन हेल्दी डिजर्ट।
एंड वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? आपने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है?
आई एक्चुअली स्टडीड इन LA। उधर रियल फूड लाना बहुत इजी होता है और बहुत क्विकली आप ला सकते हो। एंड पीपल यूजुअली ईट दैट फॉर लंच, ब्रेकफास्ट, डिनर। वी सॉ इंडिया डज नॉट हैव अ सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट। You could probably go to a Subway which has a lot of preservatives. We wanted to, fill in that gap. That's where this concept was born.
It's basically no-brainer food.
Correct.
You don't have to think. And the most important thing is India believes in tasty food. So it's very taste-forward. It's not healthy because healthy is boring. It's bland. It's very tasty.
What's the cuisine like? What's the masalas like?
तो हमारे पास सारे cuisines हैं। हमारे food में steps होते हैं। You first start with the flavor.
You select the flavor you want and you select what base you want.
Second step is basically choosing a salad, a bowl, or a wrap.
You can have it either as a wrap, a salad bowl, या फिर grain bowl.
If you choose a bowl, we have grain options. So you either choose rice, quinoa, barnyard millet, pasta or noodles भी millet और whole wheat का है, no maida.
These are all the grains, your rice, your quinoa. We make small batches, fresh batches, so that it's replaced very fast and nothing is kept for very long. This is our barnyard millet, and then you select the protein. जिसमें से 2 non-veg, 2 veg और 2 vegan options, and then everything is made and assembled fresh for you right here.
You can choose veg, vegan or non-veg option. हमारे पास lentil falafel है, tofu है, herb paneer, spicy chicken, herb chicken. ये सारे options हैं.
That's the herbed paneer. This is a spicy paneer. Tofu normally, but it's over almost,
Okay.
so they have to get it. This is a herbed chicken. This is your spicy chicken. Then we go on to the toppings. This first is the condiments right here. They're kept at a cold temperature. You have tzatziki, hummus, feta, guacamole, hummus,
right.
2 types of millet, noodles and pasta,
Does this
parmesan
go
cheese.
on the top of the bowl?
Yes, these things go on the side of the bowl.
Rosheen, let's show the madness. एक बार थोड़ा अंदर लेके चलना, because
Sure.
I think the people will get the vibe जैसे हम अंदर step in करेंगे. Look at
So
this.
welcome to Nubo.
Wow, man. What are the interiors like? मतलब ये कहाँ से inspired है?
We wanted something warm and that's why we put in so many curves so that यहाँ आके घर जैसा फील हो और ऐसे ना फील हो कि मेरे को ड्रेस अप होके आना है।
It looks like an Apple store.
Really?
है ना?
Little futuristic.
हाँ
for
जी,
sure.
correct,
Yeah.
correct. And what about everything else? What all you have here? Give me a tour of the place.
Of course, come.
Is this where we order?
So I will show you. Those are our kiosks
Acha,
right there,
right.
where you can skip the line and order. Yes. We have smoothies, matchas, coffees, parfaits. We don't use any syrup, no refined sugars, only khand, jaggery or dhaga mishri.
We try to make it with fresh fruits. My smoothies with fresh frozen fruit.